All right, simplifying this expression. So 9x squared subtract 4 is going to factor into 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. The second part already has a 3x minus 2. The third part already has a 3x plus 2. So when I find a common denominator, I'm going to start with the 3x minus 2. This has one group of 3x minus 2. This has one group of 3x minus 2. This has no groups in the denominator of 3x minus 2. So one group, no groups. What's the maximum number I've told you? 1. This has one group of 3x plus 2. One group of 3x plus 2. No groups, one group. So 1, 0, 1. What's the maximum number? 1. One group goes down below. Do I need to change anything about the first fraction? Nope, because it has both of these already in the denominator. Now the second fraction is missing what group? 3x plus 2. And the third group is missing a 3x minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to start and go from left to right, writing this all down. Here's my first group. Then there's a plus sign. Here's my second group. Here's the third group. Now, could you combine some of these steps? Absolutely, but I'm just showing all the steps right now so somebody who goes back and watches the video has a good understanding of what's going on. All right, so I'm going to start by distributing this 1. And to save a little time, instead of just distributing the 1, I'm going to look at the sign in front of the 1. So I'm going to distribute a negative 1 to the 3x and the 2. And now I'm going to distribute not just a 5, but a negative 5 to the 3x, subtract 2. I'm going to combine like terms on top. 1 and 3x is 4x. 4x and a negative 15x is a negative 11x. And 2 and 10 is 12. Is there any number on top that I can divide out, other than 1 or negative 1, that I can divide out or factor out of 11 and a 12, the same number? No. Problem is done.